The next performer we're going to bring out is Andrew Herb. He's going to be singing with Andrew Jam. Give it up.
Please follow Andrew Herb.
I can't see him. But you sit right here.
You guys hear me? Okay, so we're now. You guys hear me? Good? You guys hear me? Okay, we're now kind of nervous, so let me start with a few jokes, okay? Because I have a short song, so hopefully the jokes go in. Okay, so the first joke. There's three guys. They went up to heaven, and one of the girls, she also went up to heaven too. She was married to one of the three guys. So the first guy went up to heaven, and he saw God. And God told him, you better tell me the truth before I let you in. Okay, so how many times did he cheat on your wife? The first guy was saying that he cheated on his wife 6 times. So God gave him an okay card to drive to heaven. The second guy came in. God asked him the same question. He said he cheated on his wife 2 times. So God gave him a kind of okay card to drive to heaven. So the last guy, he really loved his wife. And he told God, he got down on his knees and said, I never cheated on my wife. I love my wife so much, I'm so faithful to her. So God gave him the best car ever to drive to heaven. And as soon as he was driving, he was crying. And then the other 2 guys are like, dude, why are you crying? You got the best car to drive to heaven, ain't true? And the reason why he was crying is because he saw his wife on a scooter. Anybody get it? Second joke. So there's second joke, okay? This is not a racist joke. Not a racist joke, okay? So there's a white guy, okay? So he hired 2 immigrants, 1 Mexican and 1 Asian. And those 2 were the ones that in charge of the lawn. So the white guy, he left. And he said, you 2 better take care of this lawn before I get back, so make sure nothing happens. So the Asian told the Mexican guy told the Asian, hey, go get the supplies in the shed, so we won't get in trouble. So the Asian guy went to the shed, and then he never came back for 30 minutes. So the Mexican guy was pretty scared. So he's like, where the heck is this Asian guy going? And next thing you know, he went to the back, and he was looking for this Asian guy. He's like, dude, where is he? And he heard something from the shed, like, actually, so he was kind of scared, so he went up closer to the shed. Next thing the Asian guy came out, supplies! And you guys get the joke. Okay, so the song is called Earth Angels. I'm pretty sure you guys might know it, so I'm gonna freestyle it, okay? Will you be mine?
it up again for Andy. Okay.
All right. How's everybody doing so far? Having fun? Are we doing good? All right. Thank you. So we're gonna bring out the next group. The next performers are the Baja Club. They're gonna be performing a dance. So
Come on.
please
Let's give them a big hand in the house. give it again a big hand for another Baha'i club.
Wish you guys could do that.
Oh, and Oscar, you got something for us?
Oh yeah. So we're gonna do a raffle. So take out your ticket, the one that you guys got.
Yeah, the ones that you brought in, there's a number on there.
It's the red. Oops. It's the red one, okay? So can I have you come here and take us the first raffle?
Yes. You get drawing. Okay, here we are. 2, 3, 2, 6, 5, 1. All right, we got a winner. Come on up. What's your name, sir? What's your name? Suveng. Suveng. First winner. Yeah, give it up for Suveng. Oh, hold on. We still got some more. We still need you.
Ainsley, can I get you to pick?
Okay, she's going to be doing the next drawing. Got some prizes here.